Hello guys, I welcome you all in my new tutorial, which is an Unreal tutorial. This is a fix, by the way. So sometimes what happen is when you import a mesh, let's say I'm gonna import, this is the content, so 3D asset, make a folder, and you just import a mesh. So import the 10 robot, and this is going to be a combined mesh, so make sure the combined mesh is selected, and then static and all that. Okay, I'm sure you know how to import the mesh. Okay, so it's like import all. Okay, import all, and then you can see this kind of things, and when you just drag it on the viewport like this, you see some weird thing that this part of the mesh is missing. Okay, all the things is okay, working well, but this part is missing. So how to fix that? Okay, how to fix that? Interesting thing is, let's say in the 3ds Max, you have to import this one. Okay, I'm gonna show you from the beginning. Interesting part is import, and you go to the modular robot 10. Okay, yeah. Interesting part is when you import the same FBX, this part is showing. You see, this part is showing, but not in the Unreal Engine. So how to fix that? What is going on here? So it's like it's like a reset origin problem. Okay, it's like you have to reset this mesh's origin. Somehow it's shifted. Okay, so how to do that? So there is the fix in the 3ds Max. You select this and you isolate this part, the problematic part, and then you have to go to the utilities and then go to the reset xform. Okay, reset xform, reset selected. Okay, reset selected. When you do that, the modifier applied, and then you're just going to convert editable poly, and that's good. Make sure your face is normal. That's good. Okay, one fixed. And then again select that, go to the utilities, and then reset xform, select reset selected, and convert to editable poly. Okay, then again select that. So it's like go to the modify utilities, reset xform, reset selected. You see that something is happening. It seems that something is happening in the mesh. Okay, select that, the last one, go there, reset xform, reset selected. Okay, convert to editable poly. Okay, now it's fixed. Okay, now all you have to do is group that, let's say robot. Okay, then you have to export it, on the same robot 10. Okay, export. Yeah, okay. So now all you have to do is go to the Unreal Engine, the content, you have to delete the previous mesh and then re-import it, that modular robot 10 fpx. Okay, make sure your combined mesh is selected. Where is the combined mesh? Where is the, oops, oh, yeah, you have to select this skeletal mesh, and then combine mesh. Yeah, so make sure you don't select this two actually, so this will import wrongly. So you go there and combine mesh, okay, and then import. Yeah, now when you just drag and drop, you see this part is appearing and your mesh is okay. You see this part, you see this one, this one, this one. Okay, so so this is how you can fix the uh, uh, missing mesh actually. So this is a very handy way and very handy tips, that nothing wrongs with the FBX actually. So you have to figure it out, that which part is missing. Then all you have to do is, if you are using, sorry, I'm a Max user, so that's why I am giving the Max tips. You go to the Max. I don't know how to fix it in Maya and Blender, but the idea is same, that XForm. You go to the select the mesh, or select the problematic part in case of this thing, and then go to the utility section, then reset xform and reset selected. Make sure the mesh is selected, okay, before doing this procedure, okay. Yeah, then after that, convert it to editable poly and then re-import it in the Unreal Engine, and that will fix the problem. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. I hope I will come again with the another tutorial or tips. Till then, bye, and keep supporting my channel and keep sharing my content. Thank you very much.